to all of you. I hope you can see the PPT. Just give me a response quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So we are on Unit 2 of the subject Business Research Methods, in which today we are going to talk about data collection and processing. So we begin the unit by understanding what is the meaning of data. Data माने क्या? Data means collection of facts, information, etc. So when you do research, you need lots of data. Through the data, you are going to, collect the data, then classify it, analyze it, interpret, and then come to some conclusion. So data becomes very important in your research process. Now basically there are two types of data which are usually collected by the researcher. First type is called primary data and second type is called secondary data. Okay, this chart over here shows the relation between data, secondary data, primary data. So what is data? Facts and figures related to your problem. Data can be secondary data. These are facts and figures already recorded by someone else before you start research. And primary data is facts and figures which you will newly collect for the project. Okay. The different ways in which it is to be collected, that we are going to learn one by one as we go ahead with the slides. Now first we begin with primary data. What is primary data? Primary data is the data which is first hand data. You remember this by using this word first hand data, जो fresh data है, जो आप directly collect करते हो. So this data is collected as per the needs of the researcher. It provides lots of valuable information, but it takes lots of time to collect the data because you are collecting it directly from the respondent. तो थोड़ा सा time consuming है ये primary data collection, and it helps to complete gaps in secondary data. जो और किसी ने रिसर्च किया है उसके अंदर कुछ डेटा अवेलेबल नहीं है, वो प्राइमरी डेटा से आपको मिल जाता है. टू कलेक्ट प्राइमरी डेटा यू रिक्वायर स्किल्ड मैन पावर, जो कि अच्छा क्वेश्चनर बना के या अच्छे से ऑब्जर्वेशन करके डेटा कलेक्ट करेगा आपके लिए. So if you are collecting data for research through this method, that means if you are collecting primary data, you will get first hand information, you will get detailed information which is accurate and reliable, and specific data जो आपके research के लिए applicable है वो आपको मिल जाएगा. This is supplementary to secondary data. So secondary data अगर आपने collect किया तो उसके साथ साथ अगर आपके research में primary data है तो बहुत आपका research बढ़िया हो जाएगा. It helps to improve the quality of your research, but it also has some limitations. ये थोड़ा costly है क्योंकि बहुत लेंदी प्रोसीजर होता है इसमें, बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी है, and a skilled researcher only will be able to do this collection, then properly उसको arrange करना, फिर interpretation and all that. So lots of supervision and control is required. And sometimes while you are collecting the primary data, your bias can also enter into the research, and sometimes people, respondents, don't answer to your questions, so poor response is another limitation. The second type of data which can be collected for your research is secondary data. Secondary data हमेशा याद रखो, this is second hand data. Primary data is first hand data, secondary data is second hand data. This is collected from where? From already published sources, या पहले से किसी ने करके रखा है रिसर्च और उसको पब्लिश किया है. So this is not new data. However, it will support your research a lot. It can be collected internally, that is from within the organization, or from outside the organization. Now what are the advantages? It is available very easily and economically. It can be used directly. इसमें कुछ झंझट मारी नहीं है, आपको डायरेक्टली पब्लिश किया है किसी ने, वो वैसा का वैसा आप यूज कर रहे हो. तो इसको प्राइमरी डेटा के साथ साथ एज अ सप्लीमेंट यू कैन यूज. It is useful for comparing and interpreting primary data. and because it is ready made, it is very time saving. It is useful in exploratory research. However, ये जो data collected है, it can be outdated, defective, यानी आपके काम का नहीं हो सकता है, reliable नहीं हो सकता है, irrelevant, or it may not be sufficient. So we have seen what is primary data and what is secondary data. To understand it a little more in detail, we will see the difference between the two. Primary data और secondary data का फर्क क्या है? If you look at the accuracy, primary data is directly collected by you only. So it will be more accurate and it will be relevant to your research. Whereas secondary data, somebody else is collected, so it may not be so accurate or it may not be so useful. सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया इज कंट्रोल. प्राइमरी डेटा क्योंकि तुम खुद कर रहे हो ना कलेक्ट, तो रिसर्चर हैज फुल कंट्रोल. वेयर सेकेंडरी डेटा तो नो कंट्रोल ओवर दैट. रेलेवेंसी, प्राइमरी डेटा विल बी वेरी रेलेवेंट टू योर रिसर्च, वेयर सेकेंडरी डेटा है वो लेस रेलेवेंट हो सकता है, यानी वैसा का जैसा है वैसा आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हो. ओनरशिप, प्राइमरी डेटा खुद तुम कलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो रिसर्चर इज द ओनर. Secondary data में there is no ownership, somebody else is owning that data. Time consuming कौन सा ज़्यादा है? Primary data is very time consuming and expensive compared to secondary data. What is accessible more? Secondary data is accessible क्योंकि वो readily available है. ये जो primary data है वो readily available नहीं है, आपको जाके collect करना पड़ेगा. Then in case of bias, primary data में there are chances of bias entering into the questions which you are asking, research which you are doing. Secondary data जो है उसमें we cannot be sure whether bias is there or not. Then in case of sampling errors, primary data you are collecting the data through samples, so chances of errors are there. मेरे सेकेंडरी डेटा में आपको सैंपल वगैरह कुछ नहीं करना है, डायरेक्ट जो पब्लिश्ड रिपोर्ट्स है वो लेना है. सो नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ सैम्पलिंग एरर्स. एंड द लास्ट सोर्सेज, द पॉइंट गिवन इन द स्लाइड इज बीन स्वैप्ड, यानी जो सेकेंडरी में है एक्चुअली वो प्राइमरी है और प्राइमरी में है वो सेकेंडरी है. माने टू कलेक्ट सेकेंडरी डेटा यू विल हैव टू look at website, journals, dissertation, literature review, balance sheet, etc. And to collect primary data, you will have to do surveys, interviews, questionnaires, field observation, etc. Okay. More about these sources we are going to learn in the forthcoming slides. So, in order to collect primary data, these are the methods which we are going to learn one by one in detail in the next lecture. Today we will focus a little more on sources of secondary data. I guess you are very clear about primary data and secondary data. Primary data क्या है? That data which is collected by the researcher directly from the respondent. Whereas what is secondary data? This is second hand information. मतलब क्या? The researcher just takes ready-made published records. Somebody else has already done research and published those reports. So you as a researcher are taking those ready-made reports. That is called as secondary data. So let us now see from where this secondary data can be collected. So sources of secondary data can be internal और external. Internal मतलब from within the company, external मतलब from outside the company. तो कंपनी के अंदर जो इनवॉइसेस है या कुछ रिपोर्ट्स है, जैसे एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग रिपोर्ट है या डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग का रिपोर्ट है या रिपोर्ट सबमिटेड बाय एनी कमिटी, एनी सेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन, एनी बिल्स, वाउचर्स, budgets made in the company, all these will be a source of collecting secondary data which is internal. External मतलब क्या? बाहर से, यानी कंपनी के बाहर से आप कुछ रेडीमेड डेटा लेते हो. कहाँ से आएगा वो? ट्रेड जर्नल या फिर पब्लिकेशन ऑफ ट्रेड एसोसिएशन और चेम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स or some nationalized banks, they also publish their reports from time to time. Sometimes financial institutions also publish their reports. So if you are taking these ready-made reports, usually the government organizations reports are very reliable. So if you are using information from these reports, this is called as external source of collecting secondary data. So in today's lecture, what did we learn? We learned how is data collected. What is data? How is it collected? Two basic methods of collecting data, primary and secondary. Primary data is first-hand information, secondary data is second-hand information. Both primary data and secondary data have their own advantages and limitations. We also saw the distinction between primary data and secondary data and the sources of collecting secondary data, which can be internal or external.